I purchased this Mubarek Northern Lights lamp. It's cube shaped. It has a remote that you can turn off and on. You can use your phone as a speaker. I'm gonna turn off the lights here so you can kind of get an idea. So this one is actually the blue. Then we got the green. We got the red. And I would say it probably fills a majority of the room. We also have white. There's yellow. It's kind of multicolor. That one's kind of cool. We got the reds and purples. Kind of like the greens and the blues. Reds and yellows. You can adjust the brightness with the remote. And it does have the about 15 white noises. And you can scroll through the different ones, like a babbling brook, a thunderstorm, light rain, a lullaby, some other music, some music with some night sounds, evening, daytime birds chirping, a fire pit. I would say it could be maybe a fan or a vacuum. That one sounds almost like an air conditioner or a fan. A blizzard. Back to the babbling brook. And it does have some timers because it can shut off. So if you want to run it, while some people need it for falling asleep. But I think it creates a nice ambiance. So I think it makes a great gift. I actually bought it for myself to kind of give you a relaxing mood.